Our Central Asian Climate Risk Management Program is dealing with one of the most modern aspects of working with climate change and its impacts. So climate risk management is dealing with different aspects of climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction, where disaster risk reduction is mostly concerned with climate and weather-related disasters. This thematic focus is quite broad. This is why, in order to focus and not to go too thin in each of the countries, different projects in Central Asia involved in our program, they are concentrated thematically and geographically in different countries in different manner. For instance, in Tajikistan we're dealing with agroforestry in Gisar Mountains. In Uzbekistan we're dealing with drought management in Kashkadarya Oblast, and so on and so forth. So each of our projects touches with various level of governance in the countries, which is in relation with climate change and disaster risk reduction. And this of course starts with various ministries. Our key partners are ministries and committees of emergency situations, Ministry of Environment Protection or Nature Protection, hydromets and various other stakeholders, governmental stakeholders in Central Asian countries. It is very important that climate risk management is mainstreamed into the main legislation and policies and strategies of each of the countries. This is why our program is dealing very closely with a number of initiatives related to the adaptation or development of various strategic documents like adaptation strategies or concepts of adaptation to climate change. And our projects in various countries did support directly these initiatives in all of the Central Asian countries. Besides the national level, we are also quite active at the local level, because the most suffering communities, they are at the local level, and strengthening their capacity to combat the current and future impacts of climate change is vital. This is why in each of the countries we're implementing a number of protection measures related to climate risk management. This goes as far as modern agricultural practices, new technologies in agriculture, efficient use of water in agriculture, for instance, implementation and installation of drip irrigation facilities. A lot of efforts we also spend on education and capacity building activities in all of the countries, starting from the national level all the way down to the community level.